Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I shall show you how to draw histogram using SPSS. The screen you can see right now is the SPSS data editor screen. SPSS has different windows: data editor, output viewer, syntax editor, etc. Okay, so this is data editor screen. In data editor screen has different tabs: data view tab, variable view tab. In variable view you can name the variables, define their type, what will be the weight, whether they are numerical variable or categorical variable. You define the measure of the variable like nominal, scale, etc., ordinal. And in data view you can see the data, you can enter the data there. Okay, and overview tab gives the overall view of the variable, that is how many variables are there, how many cases are there, how many categorical and how many numerical data are there, etc. will be given by the overview tab. We shall construct histogram. Okay, as we all know that histogram is a graphical representation of numerical data only. Okay, so we have to choose the numerical data for histogram. See, from here the person, it's a categorical data, more specifically it's nominal. You can see the sign here, the three circles, it's a symbol of nominal data. Then we have salary. Salary is a numeric variable and the measure is scale. Okay, then GPA is also a numeric variable, so and the measure is scale. So we can draw histograms using salary or GPA as well as GRE verbal, that is also numeric and measure is scale. Okay, I shall show you different ways to draw histogram. Okay, first is the basic method where we go to this analyze tab. Okay, in analyze tab, descriptive statistics, you go to frequencies. Okay, and then we choose the variable with which we want to draw the histogram. Suppose we want to draw the histogram of starting salary. Click that variable, send it to the variable list. Okay, then from here statistics, chart, format, style, bootstrap, we select the chart. It will show only three types of chart: bar chart, pie chart, histogram. So if you want to draw histogram, you select this. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the output viewer window which gives us the frequency table first and then histogram of starting salary. This is starting salary along the x-axis, along the y-axis the frequency. Okay, now when we select histogram, show normal curve on histogram, this option comes. If we check this option, what happens is that along with the histogram a normal curve is shown. Okay, and this gives us an idea about whether our data is symmetric or it is skewed, or if it is skewed, how much skewed it is. Okay, so we can see that the histogram is falling on the normal curve. Okay, so the data is more or less symmetric. Now I shall show you another method to draw histogram. For this we go to graph tab and from the drop down menu we select histogram. Okay, first reset. Suppose I want to draw the histogram of GPA. So select GPA, send it to the variable list. You can select the display normal curve. Okay, so this gives us the histogram of GPA along with the normal curve. Now suppose I want to compare between the GPA scores between two genders, male and female. Okay, then what I can do is that for variable we select GPA and panel by rows, that is we can select gender and send it to panel by rows. You can send it to panel by columns as well. Okay, so if we do this, so we will get two histograms, one for male and one for female. So this is histogram of GPA for male and female. So we can compare between the two genders using this. Now I shall show you the third method to draw histogram. Okay, we shall go to the graph tab and we select the chart builder. When you select the chart builder, this dialog box will come. This will ask you whether for each variable you have defined the measure or not. See, for each variable we have defined the measures. See the symbols for nominal, scale, etc. we can see for each variable, and also it asks you whether for categorical variable you have defined the value labels. I have already defined that. Let me show you. Okay, I go to variable view and see for college measure, which is a nominal variable, I have defined the value labels. Education is given value 1, arts and sciences 2, business is 3. Similarly, for gender, which is a categorical variable, again I have defined the value labels, male 0, female 1. Okay, so I go to chart builder and I press OK since I have defined all the variable properties. If you have not, then go to define variable properties and then do. Okay, this chart builder form is more liked by professionals because it gives a more professional looking chart. Okay, with header, footer, and also you can change color, appearances, etc. Let me show you one by one. So first is that from the gallery we have to select the type of chart we want to draw, that is histogram. So I am selecting histogram and I have to drag this histogram here. Okay, and then suppose I want to draw histogram on GRE Varvel score. Okay, so I drag this GRE Varvel to x-axis. Okay, so this x-axis is GRE Varvel score and the y-axis is the frequency for the histogram. Okay, now if we want, title is already given, simple histogram of GRE Varvel. You can keep the title, you can change the title, that is customize the title. So if you want to customize, go to titles, footnotes. Okay, you unselect it to remove the title, or you select the title and then this automatic is selected, that is simple histogram of GRE Varvel. You can, if you want to give your own title, go to custom and give another name. Similarly, you can add footnote if you want to. If you want to remove, you can unselect it. Okay, then chart appearances, you want to give the different color to the charts. Okay, so you can give the different color to the histogram. Press OK. So here we get the histogram of GRE Varvel. Now suppose we want to show with the help of histogram the GRE Varvel score for different genders. Okay, so then how to do it? We can, let me reset first. Then we select the stacked histogram and drag it here. Okay, and we want the histogram on GRE Varvel score. Okay, and there is another box coming here is stack. So stack, we shall select the gender variable here. Okay, so this histogram is showing us the histogram of GRE Varvel score, but each rectangle of the histogram is divided into male and female. Okay, so if we press, this was earlier the normal histogram, the simple histogram, and this is the same histogram but it is stacked. The same histogram is divided into male and female. Okay, so we can draw stacked histogram with the help of this. So here is the output viewer table which gives us different types of histogram we have drawn today. Okay, in the next video I shall upload how to draw scatter plot. Okay, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.